Single circuit on-off. Switches a single battery to a single load group. Ignition protected, safe for installation aboard gasoline-powered boats. IP66 waterproof, ISO 8846 and meets ABYC requirements. Terminal stud size, 3/8 16. Continuous rating, 350A, maximum voltage, 48 volts DC. Top reviews from the United States. Should have went with top quality the first time. I tried to get off easy going cheap with a knockoff version of a battery shut-off switch. Well, that switch lasted all of 3 weeks and 4 turns and it failed. Power to troller whether it was on or off. I bypassed the switch and all was fine. I already had a Blue Seas switch for my main system, so I went right back and grabbed this switch for the troller.its heavy duty. Made for flush mount or outside mount. The switch is heavy duty inside and out. Opened my hole through the carpeted wall. Fit this in. Used my own hardware and wired it in. Works perfectly. Blue Seas rocks 10 stars.